we always encounter this question. Where are you from? What does the question mean? Can it be where I am originally located, or my nationality, or my hometown, or where I am located now? Okay, I will introduce to you the Chinese country names of the major countries to begin with, so that you can answer and also ask back using the new Chinese country names. Watch this video until the end of the video so that you can start to engage with line of questioning. Okay, let's start those country names. The first is 中国 China, 美国 America, 英国 UK, 加拿大 Canada, 澳大利亚 Australia, Japan, 日本 Japan, 韩国 Korea, 新加坡 Singapore, 西班牙 Spain, 法国 France, 俄罗斯 Russia, 南非 Africa, 印度 India, 泰国 Thailand, 德国 Germany, 墨西哥 Mexico. So, where are you from? 你来自哪里? I am from China. 我来自中国. So tell me, where are you from? Leave your country in the comment section below. If your country has not been introduced here, let us know in the comments below. We could love to help you learn the Chinese name of your country. And tell me, what have you learned? And if this video has given you value, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber button below. And if you have any suggestive topics that you want to watch on our next videos, just type it below. We would love to create for you each week with our videos that will be showing on your homepage. If you think this video will benefit to someone, please share it to them so that we can help more and more learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!